Hi everyone, welcome back to As Good As We Can. I'm Federica and today you're going to cook with me a special cake. I will make a sponge cake that you can use and you can fill with everything you want. But I will fill my sponge cake with a special ricotta cream, almonds and coffee. So if you like almonds, if you like coffee, if you like ricotta and Sicilian food, this is the video for you. So let's get started and let's see the ingredients. Okay guys, you saw the ingredients and now we will divide the recipe in 3 steps. First step, we will make the sponge cake. We will make the coffee, you can do it the day before. And we will toast the almonds and we will make the ricotta cream. So let's get started with the step 1, sponge cake. First of all, you have to divide the eggs white and yolks. Always make disaster. I will try to do my best. Whoop. White. Perfecto. Use this attachment for your planetary mixer. And let's start with the white one. Perfect. This is the right consistency, like snow. And now it's time to continue and make the rest with the yolks. I like to make this cake because this is one of the cake that make me remember my childhood and my father that was making this cake for us. So it's a very nice memory. Okay, let's start with the red ones. Okay, when the yolks and the sugar will like melt and start to be soft, very smooth, then it's time to add the flour, the cornstarch and the baking powder. But don't forget to turn on the oven. The oven should be around 180 degrees static. So let's continue with the flour and the cornstarch. Take some time to clean the sides of the bowl and continue just a bit. Okay guys, when your mix is ready, we have to add the whites. Now we have to do it by hands because we don't want that the cake just goes down. I don't know the translation, but we have to mix the whites and the yolks in a very gentle way. You will do it taking a little bit of whites like this and with a very gentle movement from the bottom to the top, and you will let the whites mix in a very nice way. Don't rush, stay calm, relax, breathe and do it. Do you want to see a close-up? I think so. Continue to add until you finish. And again, from the bottom to the top. The oven is ready. Okay, this baking pan that I always use is 20 centimeter of diameter, and this mixture is perfect for this diameter. So 20, 22, 25, perfect. If you want to do a bigger one, double the ingredients. Wow, so smooth. Now we are ready to cook. Almost 35 minutes, 180 degrees, static oven. Take a look for the first time, because I don't know your oven, I know mine. And let's do it. See you in 35 minutes, and I think I will make a coffee for me. I think the cake is ready. Let's see. Wow, the cake is perfect. Ooh. Okay, so after 35 minutes, the cake is perfect. Now we just have to wait a little bit until the cake will cool down, and then we can fill it and decorate with the ricotta cream, coffee and almonds. See you later! Guys, since we have to wait for the cake to be cold, we can start making our almonds, already toasted. So let's get started. All the ingredients are ready, and now we can assemble the cake. Let's start with the cake. Now it's cold. You have to turn it upside down using a cake disc, like this. 1, 2, 3, hop! Okay, I found this in Tiger. It's a tool that will help you to cut the cake. Okay. Take the cake and cut the cake. Perfect. Now take a plate and move the first piece. Okay. Here we go. Now, let's take the coffee, put it in a bowl, use a cake brush like this, and make wet your sponge cake. You have to feel that the sponge cake is really wet. Okay, now take a flat tube like this one and put the ricotta cream on the first layer. Now continue with the second piece. Again with the ricotta cream. And last piece. Just a little bit more coffee. And complete the cake with the rest of the cream, the ricotta cream. Okay. The nice thing of this cake is that you don't have to be so perfect, because then we will put the almond on top. So everyone can make this cake. It's just, yeah, a bit long because it's 3 steps, but you can divide the steps in a few days. Try to make, yeah, the cake even. The funniest part, the almonds. So start how you want. Put the almonds on top, in this way. Look, take your cake, take your almonds, and like this, and let it drop. Turn the cake, put your almond, and let it drop. And let the almonds stick to the cake. You will mess around with the almonds, but don't worry. And your cake is done. Okay guys, finally our cake is ready. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel As Good As We Can. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and if you have a question, just write a comment. We are always happy to answer. See you next time. Ciao ragazzi, grazie. Ciao!